sorry for the ugly picture, but there's a method to my madness here. My quick tip is how you can use an app called Google Lens to identify things in the real world. So for example, after walking around Japan in the blistering heat for 3 days and going up hills and down hills and upstairs, I noticed a rash on my legs. And I kind of freaked out. What is that? Did I get, into a pile of ants, or did I have an allergic reaction to a bush I brushed up against? I just opened up Google Lens and pointed to it. And let me show you what that is. I'm not talking about taking a picture and using Google Photos Google Lens, although you can do that also. I'm talking about just this little button right here. Or it can be a standalone app. You need to install it. So I look for Lens, and there it is. So there is the standalone app at Google Lens. Or if you have the Google widget, it's right on the widget. Same on iPhone or on Android. So I would just tap that, and then you point your camera at whatever it is you want to identify and tap search. And when I did that on the rash on my legs, it told me, that looks like a Disney rash. Disney rash?
I thought that was fun.
What is that? So I went ahead and clicked on it and read more information. The medical name for Disney rash is exercise-induced vasculitis. Who knew that I could exercise enough to get vasculitis? Condition also called golfer's rash, hiker's rash, golfer's vasculitis. And I read further, and it said this is harmless. It'll go away in a few days. So, phew. But I need to tell you that in preparation for this show, I tried to recreate that using a photo I took of my leg at the time. And I could not get it to come up with Disney rash. So this is I think I was very lucky that the first thing it came up with, I do believe was right. But you have to do your own research. This is not Dr. Google to be trusted. You have to continue to research and watch the problem. But it sure helped me that day.